Welcome to our channel. If you're here, you want to level up your Roblox experience with faster performance. Today, we'll be sharing updated ways to enhance your gaming, so let's jump right in. First, make sure to update the app. Keeping Roblox up to date is crucial because developers release updates that not only introduce new features, but also fix bugs and enhance performance. Next, let's talk about graphics settings. While you're in the game, open the settings menu and set the Inakawe graphics mode to manual, lowering the Ankeno graphics quality can significantly reduce the load on your device, leading to smoother gameplay. Another important step is to clear your cache and storage. Head to Settings, then Apps, find Roblox, and select Storage. From there, you can clear the cache. If you're still experiencing issues, consider clearing the storage, but remember that this will log you out of the app. Don't forget to close background apps. Having multiple apps running can eat up your system resources. Closing those additional applications will free up more power for Roblox. Sometimes, all it takes is a little restart. Go ahead and restart your device. This simple action can work wonders in enhancing overall performance. Now, let's discuss your internet connection. A stable and speedy connection is essential for a lag-free experience. Make sure you're not dealing with any internet issues, as slow connections can lead to frustrating gameplay. It's also a good idea to free up device storage. Why? Ensure you have enough space on your device by deleting unnecessary files or apps. A cluttered storage can bog down performance. To control background data usage, go to Settings, then Apps, find Roblox, and navigate to Data Usage. From there, you can disable background data to prevent Roblox from using data when you're not actively playing, which can help improve performance. Last but not least, keep your device cool. Overheating can majorly slow down performance. Avoid playing Roblox while charging, and try to keep your device in a cool environment. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to enjoying a smoother and faster Roblox experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming!